Welcome to my channel. Cadillac, well known for premium sedans and SUVs, appears to have extended its value proposition into the motorhome segment, melding the brand's bold styling and luxury DNA with the mobile living platform of an RV. According to reports, the 2026 Cadillac motorhome is finally launching a broken bar rolling luxury suite on wheels. Although Cadillac's official website does not yet list a motorhome model, media coverage suggests this is a concept or limited-run vehicle aimed at luxury lifestyles and adventure travel. The timing aligns with consumers wanting more comfort, connectivity and flexibility in their travel. For a brand like Cadillac, this shift signals a broader ambition, extending the luxury automotive experience into off-road, on-road, and stationary living spaces. The motorhome can be seen as Cadillac's way of merging mobility with premium living. Exterior design. First impressions. From the sources, the exterior of the 2026 Cadillac motorhome is described as sleek, aerodynamic and unmistakably Cadillac. Signature bold grille and LED lighting draw on Cadillac's design language. The body length is reportedly around 35 feet and dressed in styling cues such as 22-inch wheels, per 1 leak, and a mix of black glossy accents and chrome trim. Retractable awnings, integrated outdoor kitchen or entertainment modules, and smart styling elements aim to marry form and function. In short, it's not just an RV with Cadillac badging, it's treated as a true Cadillac product, with premium materials, high attention to exterior detail, and a purposeful design presence. For a video or YouTube piece, the exterior alone gives strong visual impact. Wide body, luxury stance, rolls into a campsite like a showroom on wheels. Interior living comfort features. The interior is where the motorhome ambitions really come alive. The 2026 Cadillac motorhome reportedly offers living room-style lounge with convertible sofas, floor-to-ceiling windows, or large panoramic glass, to deliver natural light and scenic views. Kitchen area, high-end finishes like quartz counters, full-size fridge, cabinetry with wood veneer, and premium appliances. Sleeping arrangements for up to 6 people, a king bed and a master plus convertible furniture. Bathroom features, luxury fittings, perhaps full shower, quality materials. Though detailed specs are sparse, reports suggest fully equipped bathroom in the interior description. Storage and flexibility, slide-outs, in some versions, that expand living area, clever storage compartments, pull-out drawers and overhead cabinets optimized for mobile living. Outdoor amenities, built-in awning, outdoor entertainment system, barbecue station, in some packages, for a full luxury travel experience. From a YouTube angle, filming inside could showcase the transformation from driving cockpit to living space, including how the lounge flows into the kitchen, how the bed folds out, and how the outdoor features integrate. The contrast of automotive cockpit meets luxury apartment on wheels is compelling. Technology, connectivity, smart features. In line with Cadillac's repositioning as a technology-forward brand, the 2026 motorhome reportedly includes a large infotainment, dashboard system. One source mentions a 15-inch touchscreen with voice control for functions like coffee brewing, climate, navigation. Advanced driver assistance, features like adaptive cruise control, blind spot cameras, startup drone deployment, yes, drone, for campsite scouting, as futuristic as it sounds. Connectivity, Wi-Fi onboard, streaming capability, premium surround sound systems. One source cites a 65-inch OLED TV inside. Energy and power systems, solar panels on the roof, battery storage for off-grid capability, smart remote monitoring via smartphone app for checking onboard systems, locking doors, adjusting climate, etc. Sustainability features, use of eco-materials and interior finishes, energy-efficient lighting, and systems designed to reduce carbon footprint during off-grid use. For a YouTube audience, pointing out the smart home on wheels features is key. illustrate how the tech transforms traditional expectations of an RV, from basic travel vehicle to fully integrated, digitally connected luxury suite. Shots of the touchscreen, remote app control, ambient lighting and smart systems would resonate. Performance, powertrain handling. While detailed manufacturer data is thin, suggesting this may still be a concept or very limited release, available reports include: one site claims a twin-turbo V8 producing around 600 horsepower and a towing capacity of 10,000 pounds. Another suggests a 6.6-liter V8 diesel engine delivering 400 horsepower and strong tow capability. The vehicle reportedly offers a smooth ride thanks to advanced suspension and stability systems, with Cadillac engineers emphasizing performance without sacrificing efficiency. Given its size, 35 feet length reported, and luxury mission, the motorhome will have to balance power with comfort. The heavy weight means ride quality, chassis tuning and braking systems are critical. In a YouTube piece, it's worth pointing out how Cadillac handles the paradox: big luxurious mobile suite versus driver expectations of Cadillac performance. Show how the motorhome handles highway cruises, winding roads, and campsite terrain. Also note, fuel economy will not be stellar given size and power, but Cadillac reportedly claims highway efficiency in the 18-22 miles per gallon range for diesel variant. For production buyers, the trade-off is clear: luxury and mobility over pure efficiency. Market positioning, pricing availability. Estimates for base pricing start around $220,000 for the base model. Higher trims with expanded features, outdoor kitchens, premium finishes push into the USD 300,000 plus range. It appears the 2026 motorhome is positioned as a limited run or at least niche offering rather than mass production. The scarcity adds to exclusivity. Cadillac's core market remains luxury auto buyers, but with this vehicle they are targeting affluent travelers who want both mobility and premium living. For markets like Pakistan or Asia, luxury motorhomes of this scale are rare. Import duties, infrastructure, for example, size of campsites, road width, and after-sales support need to be considered. In a YouTube script referencing your audience in Abbottabad, Pakistan, you might emphasize the uniqueness of bringing such a vehicle into that region. What would it take? Road conditions, service network, import cost, etc. Real-world usability considerations. For someone considering a vehicle like the Cadillac motorhome, it's not just about luxury, practicalities matter. Pros: 5-star comfort on the move, long trips, family vacations, mobile office or home away from home. Premium materials and build quality raise the standard above typical motorhomes. Connectivity and tech let you stay productive or entertained on the road. Challenges: size, 35 feet plus length means you'll need appropriate parking, campsites, turning radius, clearance. In places with narrow roads or limited RV infrastructure, this could be limiting. Service maintenance, Cadillac after-sales support for such a large format vehicle may be limited. Owners may rely on specialty RV service centers. Cost of ownership, fuel, maintenance, insurance for such a premium motorhome will be high. Also import taxes if operating outside North America. Road environment fit, off-grid trips may be fine, but city use, narrow lanes, or regional campsites not designed for large luxury RVs may pose challenges. Resale and uniqueness, because this is novel, resale market may be unknown. Market value could fluctuate. In a YouTube video, you could incorporate what to think about before buying section: infrastructure, costs, use case, weekend trips versus full-time living, region suitability, for viewers outside the US, etc. Comparison: why this stands out. Compared to typical motorhomes or luxury RVs, the Cadillac motorhome distinguishes itself in several ways. Brand pedigree: Cadillac carries luxury automotive heritage which most RV builders do not. Technology connectivity. While many RVs offer smart features, Cadillac's automotive-grade infotainment and safety systems raise the bar. Design integration. The exterior styling reads more like a luxury vehicle than a boxy RV. The interior blends automotive finish with mobile home comfort. Market positioning. Rather than RV for the masses, this aims at the ultra-premium segment, which is less crowded and commands higher expectations. If you compare to peers, for example, luxury-class motorhomes from specialized RV manufacturers, the Cadillac offers a different flavor. Automotive luxury meets mobile living.